Hello, welcome to the second part of self-esteem practices. Before practice, make sure subscribe to the channel and send this gift to someone you want. Sit in a quiet place and close your eyes. Be calm. See how do you feel right now. Feel your heartbeat and pay attention to this practice. Place your hands on a comfortable position. Now, take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds and then exhale it. Inhale and exhale. Breathe with kindness and self-love. Smile. Put your hands on your heart and caress your heart. Feel the love inside your heart. Send fresh air to your heart with a deep breath. Congratulations! You've finished this little journey. I suggest to you do these practices several times because meditation requires continuity and constant practice to be effective. So, meditation every day to change your life. Thank you for watching. I wait for you here to meditate with me with another practice.